Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how can you earn by the voiceover of Japanese language on Fiverr. So first of all we'll talk about the word voiceover, and then we'll move forward to the other topics like a language and earning. So we'll read some information provided on the Wikipedia about the word voiceover, and then by reading that we'll try to understand about it. So without wasting much more time, let's go and let's read about it. Voiceover, also known as off camera or off stage commentary, is a production technique where a voice that is not part of the narrative, non-diegetic, is used in a radio, television production, filmmaking, theater, or other presentations. The voiceover is read from a script and may be spoken by someone who appears elsewhere in the production or by a specialist voice actor. Synchronous dialogue, where the voiceover is narrating the action that is taking place at the same time, remains the most common technique in voiceovers. Asynchronous, however, is also used in cinema. It is usually pre-recorded and placed over the top of a film or video, and commonly used in documentaries or news reports to explain information. Voiceovers are used in video games and on hold messages, as well as for announcements and information at events and tourist destinations. It may also be read live for events such as award presentations. Voiceover is added in addition to any existing dialogue and is not be confused with voice acting or the process of replacing dialogue with a translated version, the latter of which is called dubbing or revoicing. It is spoken by the Japanese people. It has around 128 million speakers, primarily in Japan, the only country where it is the national language, and within the Japanese diaspora worldwide. Okay, let's read more about it. Okay, is Japan language easy? If you want to learn Japanese language, so this question would be, you can say, important to you. So let's read this answer. The Japanese language is considered one of the most difficult to learn by many English speakers, with three separate writing systems, an opposite sentence structure to English, and a complicated hierarchy of politeness. It's decidedly complex. So that was a short information about the Japanese language. I hope now you've got some knowledge about it, little bit knowledge about Japanese language. So now moving forward to the main point, that is how can you earn by the voiceover of Japanese language on Fiverr. So first of all we'll go to the Fiverr official website or the official platform for freelancing, and here on Fiverr we'll search about Jap Japanese language voice over. We'll search this to get idea if there is any competition related to this job on Fiverr. So as you can see, I've searched about it and there are a lot of gigs related to this, so it means that there are many gigs, and it means that there is high competition in it, and also you can say there is tough competition in this job. So yeah, you have to work hard and you have to put a little bit of efforts to get your first order done, and then you'll be earning good amount of revenue through this job on Fiverr. So let's check out a gig to get much more idea about it. So here's a gig. I will do professionally Japanese voiceover including Osaka dialect, and he is charging 8,908 for his per order. Until now he got 8 reviews with 5-star rating, and as you can see by the review, like just 8 reviews on a single gig, and you can see there are a lot of gigs and each gig has at least one order, I think so. So it means that the demand of Japanese voiceover artists is also high, so it is worth it to do this job on Fiverr because there is high demand along with high competition. So yeah, you can do this job, and you just have to you have to hard little you need little bit of hard work in your first order, and then like you'll be earning good amount of revenue through it. You can use marketing strategy for your first order, and anything else, it depends on you that how do you get your first order. So yeah, that was the video about it. I hope you've understood everything about it. It's time to end this video right here. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye, see you, Allah Hafiz.